Everybody, Bowling Fool here. I'm down here in Southern California visiting some friends and family for a few days and decided to bring my bowling balls down with me and bowl a few alleys. So we're down here at La Habra 300 Bowl. I was given the invitation by one of my subscribers known as Too Tall to come down here and check this place out and bowl a few games against them, so we'll see how we do. But this alley is really cool. This alley was built in the late 1950s, I think 1960s when it was completed. And it's one of the few remaining bowling alleys. It's pretty much still family run, so it's not a corporate bolero, which I appreciate. And there was a bunch of alleys around the late 50s and 1960s built around Southern California that very few are left standing. This is one of them that's left standing. And this bowling alley, if you don't know, was famous in 1981. Allison scored his perfect 900 at this bowling alley. So I'm pretty excited to go check this place out. It looks pretty cool. It looks like classic Americana. And let's go see what this is all about. So this is one of the few alleys with coffee shops. So I believe all the old bowling alleys from like the late 1950s, early 60s had a coffee shop attached to it. So this is pretty cool. And it still looks like it did, I'm sure, back in the late 1950s. You got a pro shop attached to it. I mean, this thing just screams classic Americana bowling alley. And then they have a lounge called the 13th Frame. We'll check that out in a bit. But really interesting. There's absolutely no windows on this place. The doors, oh yeah, they have glass doors over here. But so the sign says serving up strikes since 1960. So I think they opened in 1960. And then you got this over here, home of Glenn 900 Allison, 7/1/1982. So pretty impressive that it happened right here. So I'm pretty excited to check this place out. Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. We're down here at La Habra 300 Bowl down in La Habra, California. I'm here with Mr. Too Tall, world's tallest league bowler.
Allegedly.
And we're gonna be doing something fun today. So he invited me down. I said, what the hell, let's go roll down here, check out this alley. It's been down here since 1960. Really cool bowling alley. He's very lucky to be bowling at a place like this. So we do something fun. I'm gonna be rolling the special effect. This is the one that I got as a surprise ball for 89 bucks. And he's gonna be rolling the original effect.
OG.
We're both two different style bowlers. So we're gonna see how this goes.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Yeah. All right, standing on 25. There we go. Good start.
Way to start it off.
Rock and roll. So tell everybody how tall you are, Too Tall.
So I'm 6'7". Wingspan is probably 6'8" or 9".
Yeah.
So, but I'm also the least speed dominant bowler of my height that I've ever met. So we'll see what it does out here. Starting cold. Stand on 27-ish. Oh, that's going Brooklyn. Yep.
How are these lanes compared to the other ones down there?
Actually feels a little drier.
Okay.
So the end pairs will tend to hook more.
Okay.
1 and 2 are insane. 3 and 4 a little less. And down here it kind of gets a little sketchy too.
Okay.
So this alley actually has like a lot of special needs bowlers and like schools, people that will come in.
Cool.
So they always put them down here. So there's all kinds of plastic and interesting down lane throws and things. So yeah. It gets interesting at this end of the house. But like you said, it's one of the things I love about this alley. You know,
yeah, this
it's like it's
cool.
for the community. Hard way.
Oh, almost.
All right.
Good try.
Almost.
Ah, no. Yeah.
No.
Oh, well.
Ah,
there you
lost
go.
that one.
Get it. Boom.
All right.
Good job.
Sloppier the better.
Hell yeah, good job. Boom.
There we go. Oh, come on.
There you go.
Wrap 10.
Yeah. Get it, get it.
Oh. That's a good ball.
Ah, damn it. Oh my God, I got lucky. So lucky.
Sloppier the better. Let's go. There we go. Oh no.
These lanes are pretty forgiving. I don't know if it's just me, but compared to where I bowl at, a little pretty forgiving. Yeah. I've been leaving a lot of 7-pins though. I don't know if it's just this lane or the way I'm throwing it.
Or the oil bit, like a little more in the oil.
Yeah.
In the middle.
I mean, it's like perfect pocket hits too, and it's like 7-pin.
Yeah, they could tend to get cliffed over here. Oh, that's too much.
Oh.
I'm sorry. My 10 and 9 are backwards.
No. Oh, it's starting to hook big time. No. Yep. Garbage, garbage.
Hook. Oh! That was almost a sloppy.
I thought you had the domino going.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, hook a lot.
All right. Good job.
Had the dry early.
This bad boy here. Oh, get it.
Oh, pin rolling, pin rolling.
Ah, damn. Oh.
There's one.
There you go. Good job.
Oh,
there we go.
No doubt about that one.
Boom.
Did you hear the clunk on that?
Yeah.
So it's kind of the same, I think. 3 and 4, there's like metal underneath it. It's like when the ball comes down, you can actually hear the metal underneath the lanes.
Oh, damn.
Like somebody like you drop the ball in a pipe. You probably couldn't hear it back here, but I heard it up there. That's an old center. That's the character of it.
I love it. I love the old places like this.
Did it again.
All right, there we go.
Bad. That's the spot where I'm dropping the ball. Metal sound is so loud.
Oh, almost had the messenger. All right, finally picking up spares here.
I was just taking off. Oh, that's too much.
Oh!
A little more right.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo! All right.
Right smack dab down the middle. Oh my God.
Yeah.
This horrible game.
Yeah, see, that's too far left. There it is.
All right.
Very nice. I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Went from too loose to too tight. Got one.
Oh.
That's it. See, there we go.
All right, so not the greatest showing from both of us.
Race to the bottom.
Yeah. All right, so not the greatest game from me. I can't speak for him, but I got 157, he got 130. We couldn't pick up our spares, so that if you're watching this is a video on how not to pick up your spares.
Don't hook at your spares, kids.
Yeah. So, but it's been a blast bowling with you too, Tom. I had fun here at La Habra 300 Bowl. You got an awesome bowling alley that is close to you. It's been here since 1960. You're very lucky, very fortunate to bowl in an alley like this. So, it's been fun, my friend. Yep. Appreciate bowling with you.
Likewise, glad to have you down here and appreciate everything that you do for the DIY PSO community. Love the community, love the content you're doing. Just keep doing what you're doing. Appreciate you, man.
Awesome, thank you, brother. Until next time, if you like the video, give a like, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. Until the next video, see you in the next one. See you guys.